Okay, good day. I am from Globalized Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay. I am from Globalized Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am, I understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, I'm willing, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, I don't have.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines and don't come here so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, this is
No.
fourth time.
Okay, why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia, knowing that why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong, Middle East, they got higher salary than here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is near in the Philippines and also safe the place and also the good people there in Malaysia.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Joyanji Velasquez, 39 years old. I am single mother, have one daughter. Now she is 17 years old. I am Catholic. I'm college level. Experience is in three different countries. First one is Saudi Arabia, and the second is Malaysia, and the third one is Hong Kong.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first. Do you have your passport?
Yes, I have
Okay, are you single parent, married, or single with live-in partner?
single only.
Single parent.
Yes.
Okay, when is your birthday?
November 22, 1985.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11 and my weight is 57 kilograms.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What about, okay, you mentioned that you study in what course is it in college?
Programming.
Computer programming. And you also got one kid which is 17 years old. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So in your profile, according to you just a while ago, you have a working experience in other countries. In what place is this?
Um, Hong Kong and Saudi Arabia.
What
Then I
country
have
is your first working experience?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. How many years you work there?
5 years.
5 years. What year did in one employer only is it?
Yes.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
I start 2010 until 2015.
2010 until 2015. Can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Saudi?
I doing my job is cleaning, washing and ironing, taking care of childrens, and I also help my madam to cook.
You do house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, and you also take care of children. How many children did you take care?
Pardon me, what ma'am?
How many children did you take care?
4 childrens.
How old are those children?
The first one is 17, the second one is 12 years old, the third one is 7 years old, and the last one is 4 years old.
So four children. Okay. After Saudi, where did you work? After Saudi, where did you have your working experience? What country?
The second one is Malaysia.
How many years you work here?
2 years.
What year did you started working and what year did you finish your contract?
Excuse me, ma'am?
What year
Cannot
did you
hear clear.
started working here in Malaysia and what year did you finish your contract?
2015 until 2017.
Okay, is it Chinese family?
Yes, ma'am. Only couple.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities?
My job is cleaning the house, washing, ironing, gardening, car wash, and also taking care of pet.
Okay, what kind of pet?
Fish.
Okay, did you cook also?
No, I'm not cooking.
After Malaysia, you work where?
Hong Kong.
How many years you work there?
4 years. 2018 until 2022.
So this is your last
Yes,
working
ma'am.
experience. So
Yes.
what is your duties in Hong Kong?
My duties is taking care of children, house, cleaning the house, cooking, and marketing.
Okay, you do laundry and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the children that you take care?
The first one is 10 years old, then the second one is 5 years old.
Okay. So being an OFW, being a domestic helper is not new for you as you already have a lot of working experience and all of it is you finish your contract, okay? Okay, so,
Yes, okay.
but you don't compare the Saudi, Hong Kong, and Malaysia. You've been here
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Malaysia and you already knew it. What are those preferences of the employers, okay?
Okay,
You need to be
ma'am.
flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
I don't have experience, but I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay, can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you hold your phone for 24 hours to your previous employers?
What, ma'am? Excuse me.
Can you hold your phone to your previous employers for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but here you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you have a once a week rest day, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Okay.
We don't have any problem. We don't have any problem?
Don't.
Okay, so are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we don't force people to come here as I have mentioned many times. If you agree, it's okay, you can come, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. You have been experienced working here, right? So we need to follow the rules and regulations and we need to respect the culture of the employer. Okay, just follow the rules and regulations and we need to respect the employer. Any problem, any concerns, inform your employer because it will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah? Thank you so
Thank
much
you,
and have a
ma'am.
good day.